Children, in this video we are going to discuss about creating list in HTML. As you all know that there are three types of list in HTML. First is unordered list, second is order list, and third is definition list. Here in this video we are going to discuss about only unordered list. One by one I will teach you how to create order list and definition list in my next videos. Okay, so for introduction I would like to tell you unordered list. UL tag is used to create unordered list. It is a type of container tag. Second, order list. OL tag is used to create order list. Third, definition list. DL tag is used to create definition list. All these three tags, either UL tag, OL tag and DL tag, these all are container tag. That means you need to be close it at the end of the list. So let us start. In this video we are going to discuss about only unordered list. Okay, you can see the syntax. UL tag and open and UL tag close is used to create unordered list. Okay, so it is used for the list of items in which the order is not to be a specific. That means we don't have to display the item in a specific order, in a specific sequence, then we can use the unordered list. We generally use the symbols, bullets, circles and squares in unordered list. Okay, clear? So you can use li tag. It is a type of empty tag to define the list items within the UL tag. That means UL tag is used to create list and li tag is used to define the list items. It is an empty tag. Okay, now if we talk about the attribute of UL tag, that means unordered list, there is only one attribute, that is called type. Okay, the type is used to define the type of list you are going to create. Either list will be displayed in bullets, that means disk, circles and squares. So let us see in practical way how we create list. So let us open Notepad. You can see this is your Notepad window. Now first of all you type HTML. Okay, after that you type head, after that you type title. You can give any specific name to title. It will be displayed at the top of the title bar. Suppose I am giving here list. Now close title. Title tag. It is a type of container tag. At last you close head. After that you start body tag. Okay, you can see here. Now suppose you have to create list. Okay, which type of list? Unordered list. So you type UL. After that you type list items. You can see here, suppose I am typing Sunday. Okay, sorry, you close here. Suppose I am typing Sunday. Okay, no need to close. After that list items, Monday. Okay, after that list item, Tuesday. After that list item, Wednesday. After that list item, Thursday. After that you type list item, Friday. Okay, and at last you type list item, Saturday. Okay, now your list has got end. So close ul tag. So you can see here. Now one more thing, you keep here bold, it will make your text more attractive. You use the bold tag, and at last you close the bold tag. This is called bold tag. Okay, next you can see here, at last you close your body tag, last you close HTML. Suppose you want to specify some background color, then you can give here bg color equals to green. Okay, bg color equals to green. Now go to the file and click on save and give any name. Suppose I am giving a list.html. Okay, so what you click on save, minimize this window, and you see where here. First of all, you see the location of your file. Okay, save has, it has been saved on the desktop. Okay, let us see where our list, you can see here, open it, and you can see this is your list. By default disks are displayed. Now we are going to change the type. For this you have to use type attribute. Suppose type type equals to, in inverted comma you give circle. Okay, circle, again you save this and just you refresh it. You will see your unordered list type has been changed. Next type I am going to use here squared. What is square, squared? Okay, you can see here. Click on save, open browser and click on refresh button. You see this is a squared type. Okay, at last we are going to change disk, disc. This was our default list type. Click on save, open and click on refresh. You see, so in this way you can create list in HTML. So you like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks. See you again in next video.